After the final investment decision, your project enters a crucial stage. One proven path forward is EPCm, Engineering, Procurement, and Construction Management. As your EPCm partner, Bilfinger leads your project to mechanical completion. We align engineering, procurement, and construction management to make sure each step happens in the right sequence, from ordering long lead equipment to selecting contractors. Our engineering team refines basic design using vendor input, intelligent 3D models, and our engineering database. These models, reviewed with stakeholders, enable fixed-price contracts for materials and construction. Our procurement team handles all commercial steps: pre-selection, tendering, evaluation, and placing purchase orders on your behalf, managing documents and vendor communication, start to finish. Construction management begins early. We ensure a seamless handover into the construction phase, coordinating contractors and schedules to keep the project on track. At mechanical completion, we hand over the facility ready for commissioning. With Bilfinger as your EPCm partner, your project moves forward with structure, clarity, and control, while your involvement stays close so you can focus on your core business.